Welcome back to Behind the Garage Barbecue. Today, we're gonna take an American classic, we're gonna deconstruct this thing, and then reconstruct it into something that it really should be. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Big Mac.
Come on,
you ready to do this?
dude.
Let's go. All right, we got our Big Mac here. Let's open her up. Let's see what we're gonna recreate, or actually make a lot better. We'll break this down here. You can see. We got top bun, nothing on it. A little bit of onions here. Couple pickles. Looks like a little bit more onions. Some sauce on our second layer of bread. And we've got another patty.
Come on.
One piece of cheese. More lettuce and more sauce. Let's see what we can do to make this a whole lot better. Let's get going. All right, let's get our sauce going together for our Big Mac. Let's start off with some mayonnaise. Probably going about half a cup, maybe a little bit more. We got some ketchup in there. Just a little squirt. Some sweet relish. About a tablespoon and a half maybe. Let's give that a little stir quick there. We got a half a shallot that we minced up real fine. Get that in there. A little splash of white vinegar. We're going with some Uncle Steve's Shake Original in this here. It's looking good. Let's get that another little stir. Still looking kind of light. We're going to go a little bit more ketchup here. There is really no set amount. It's more to taste than anything else. This here is going to go great on our burger. This stuff here is awesome for dipping fries in.
Yes, sir!
And we got some white sugar here. I'm going to give a little bit of a pinch there. Let me give that a taste. I'm going just a little bit more Uncle Steve's. And there you go. That's our Big Mac sauce right there. We're gonna cover this up, let it sit in the fridge for a little while. And we'll be back. All right, we're back. We got two 1/3 pound Wagyu beef patties. All we're gonna do, simple kosher salt. And some black pepper. Flip these over. Hit them again on the other side. Let's get them on the grill. We're just using regular Kingsford Blue. We hit the slow and sear charcoal basket in there. Just gonna let them sit, let them cook. We'll be back in a few. All right, we're back. It's been a few minutes. Let's check on our burgers. Give them a flip. Right, they're looking good. few more minutes on this side. We're gonna be pulling them off. We'll meet you back when we're ready to plate them up. Make this Big Mac. All right, let's get our burger going. Gonna get our bottom bun here, toast it up a little bit. Gonna get our sauce that we made. Lather that all on there. Next, we're going with some onions. Some shredded lettuce. And we'll take 1 piece of cheese right on top there. One of our Wagyu patties. Now for our middle bun. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna drop some sauce on it. Some onions. We're not gonna do those 2 pickles. We're gonna do 6 pickles. A little more lettuce. Another piece of cheese. We'll get our final burger right on there. We'll get our top bun. Remember, they had nothing on theirs. We're going with a little bit more sauce on ours. And some onions. And there you go. There is my Big Mac. Done on the Weber 22 Performer. You ain't getting that one from McDonald's. Thanks for watching.